Hello there. Want to switch your numbers in dollars, euros, or any currency symbol in Google Sheet? I'll show you how to change currency formatting in just a few clicks. First, open your Google Sheet and select the cells with the numbers you want to format as currency. Now, go to the top menu, click Format, then hover over Number and choose Currency. Want to print currency? Click the $ icon in the toolbar or go to Format, then Number, then More Format, and More Currency. You'll see a full list that is euros, yen, rupees, pound, you name it. Pick the currency you want and hit Apply. Your numbers are now formatted with a symbol. And that's how to change the currency in Google Sheets. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Google Sheet hacks, and comment if you want a tutorial.